Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln of x plus 4. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s over s plus 4. The v we got about s, the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s squared over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus the u multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 2. That's it from here. And then we put the integration. That's it about s squared over s plus 4 dx. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to create about the factor divided by s plus 4. So I need to add about 4s. Later that we need to minus about 4s. Then we need to minus about number 16. Later that we need to add about number 16. So s and s we can do about factorization. Negative number 4, negative number 16, we can do another factorization. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we got about s minus 4 plus 16 over s plus 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s, you got about s squared over 2. Number 4, that's about the constant. You got about 4s. This one we can write into 16 ln of the absolute value of s plus 4, and we put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. The integration, that's it about this one. And here is about the full answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.